Academy is a website with thousands of video tutorials. If you click on Watch, you can see how they're broken down by subject. All the different math subjects, science, finance and economics, humanities, which is mostly history, test prep, which also includes SAT math, and also interviews. If you are looking for a particular video, you can browse this way by choosing the subject area that you teach, or you can simply scroll down to the different headings and subheadings and find a lesson. Chances are you've taught this. These are the kind of lessons that you teach every day, and what's great about this is that if your student is absent, you can send them the link for one of these videos and they can catch up. So let's start small. Let's start with algebra and functions, introduction to functions. So if you check this out and you decide it's a video that you can use to teach, you can click on Share, and a window pops up that enables you to copy and share a unique URL for this video. And also, if you have Edmodo or a blog, you can embed the video right in your class, and your students can view it and answer questions that maybe you pose regarding the content of the video. So once you've shared your video with your students and you've taught them different concepts using the Khan Academy videos, you can also do something called practice with them. Now they have to establish their own account. It's very minimal what they have to input, and they can earn points, energy points. And if you click on practice, it takes you to a page. It's got different headings, and for each one of those there are exercises that your students can perform and they can earn points. And you'll be able to see what their progress is by the amount of points that they have. So for instance, let's click on, let's see, percents. And the first question, it says, express the percent as a decimal. Well, if I remember correctly, it would be 1.165. And I can check my answer. And I got it right, and so I earned some points. And then I can click here and go to the next question. Express the decimal as a percent. 48.1%. And check my answer. Right again. And if they're having trouble, they can actually click to get hints. I'll show you. I'd like a hint. See, it shows you how to do the problem, and then it gives you another hint which basically answers it for you. But as they're going through this, they're learning. And as you can see, I've already earned these points. And you can keep track of how your students are doing. So let's take a look at the SAT math videos. This is great as a supplemental thing. You know, you have maybe your 11th grade trigonometry students, and you know they're going to be taking the SAT soon. You can send them here and say, well, start looking. You'll learn something. Click on the video, or if you find a particular one that you think they really need to focus on, go ahead and share it. And then you can play the video. And it's narrated, and it's the people who make the videos are actually doing them on what appears to be a whiteboard. And I know some math teachers who are impressed by this, but it has actually inspired them to go out and make their own videos to share with their students via a screencast tool like Jing, for instance, which is what is being used to record this tutorial. And that is Khan Academy.